What is that, Pyros? Got another demo. We got a 12 pack of sparklers, and you get 4 blue, 4 green, and 4 red. Sparklers that are color. It was like $2 for 12 of these. 10-inch sparklers. Well, have to see what they do. What is up, Pyros? We have red sparklers. Those ones are all red on this side. These ones straight across are going to be green. And these on this side are blue. How am I going to light all these at once? We got red on this side. Oh, that was supposed to happen. We got red on this side. Alright. We got green on this side. And then we got flashing fireworks, neon, glow stick. Now this is how I plan on lighting all these. Check this out. This is how you light sparklers, guys.
Can I have this one?
Sure, you can hold this one. I love these ones because they're wooden. You ain't got to worry about all those metal ones getting on the ground and getting your lawnmower or kid's foot. Wooden ones are so much nicer. Dang, that thing's still going, dude. Love them glow sticks. As you can see, the kid loves it too. She's like, get away from me, mosquitoes. I'm fighting you off. I'm like, Pyro. I was trying to think of Ring of the Lords or Lord of the Rings. See, it's too fucking late for us. All right, Pyros. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. Peace out.
Did you see?